When we say that we want a vintage look, we actually provide you the vintage pieces. We have preserved and archived over 450,000 patterns that represent about 11 million pieces of china, crystal, silver, or collectible, so that for those who might be collecting a piece that is no longer in production and want to complete their set, we can match them up. So our panel discussion really talked about the importance of technology and how data informs decisions. So you should still have your stories, your brand connections, your human connections, the emotional connections, but the data helps you be better at targeting and providing the communication to your customer at the right time, the right way, in a way that they will connect to and engage with. Having data helps us understand what a customer might be looking for and gives us context around the content that might be the most relevant for them. We want to continue to, our word, nurture that core customer. It would be fascinating if we ever could anticipate, well, last time after the holidays on average, we saw that a customer would probably break 2 salad plates. So might we specifically remind you, hey, do you have those core tableware pieces? Many times our customers are helping family members start building their collection. So how do we help both the customer who made the initial purchase as well as the recipient of that in a way that helps and encourages them to keep on collecting and completing your look?